Hello everyone, bringing up the next video for the Indian stock market for the 12th February 2025. So this reading is on the basis of Nifty 50. Cards are already been taken up. Each card represents approximately 2 hours, the morning, afternoon and the closing hours of the Indian stock market. Let's see what we are able to read out from the cards. Before I start doing the reading, I would request you that do share your feedback, because your feedback will help us and encourage us to do more and more in the form of the tarot card reading. Let's see what the morning cards are saying to us. So the morning of 12th February, lots and ups and downs will be there. Whatever the closing is there for the 11th Feb, it will be on the higher side of it. So हमने जो भी क्लोजिंग 11 फरवरी की देखी है उससे थोड़ा ऊपर की रेंज में, आई वोंट से बहुत ज़्यादा रेंज में, बट थोड़ी सी रेंज हायर साइड में ही होगा. बट फर्स्ट 2 आवर्स जो है हमारे मार्केट के, वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा उथल पुथल होगी. टू मच ऑफ अप्स एंड डाउन्स मूवमेंट विल बी देयर. I would say not a very stable time to do the trading, because आप जो सोच रहे हो कि मार्केट विल बी गो ऑन द हायर साइड और ऑन द अपर साइड, पॉजिटिव साइड, हो सकता है इमीडिएटली वो लोअर साइड में हो जाए. बट ranges जो है, या there will be a movement, we can say too much of movement will be there, and because of too much of movement you will not be able to decide what are the next step you should do it. Let's see what is there in the afternoon. The afternoon shows that there will be a movement. Too much of movements will be there, but ये movement भी थोड़े टाइम के लिए बहुत अच्छी वाली movements आएंगी. उसके बाद the market will be steady stuck up, and the market will be on the lower side, on the negative side rather than on the positive side. अब यदि हम कहें तो लोअर साइड में भी हमें कभी कभी स्पाइक आते हैं तो हमारे लिए प्रॉफिटेबल होते हैं. So the lower side there will be a very prominent spike, on the lower side spike, which will be there in the afternoon hours of the trading. Let's see what is there in the closing hour. The market will have a mixture again. जो morning में हमारा दिख रहा है, the same scenario we will be able to see in the closing hour. मार्केट दोनों तरफ की होगी, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हर तरफ की होगी. आपको पॉजिटिव ट्रेड्स भी मिलेंगे, नेगेटिव भी मिलेंगे, दोनों तरफ से. सो बट इफ़ यू आर एबल टू कीप योर माइंड काम, फोकस, एंजाइटी लेवल कम, तो आप इनफाइनाइट सोर्स ऑफ इनकम यहाँ से या यहाँ से आप ले सकते हो. कल जो ट्रेडिंग आवर्स के टाइम पीरियड है, क्लोजिंग आवर्स, so definitely there will be a very nice infinite source of income over there, but the market will be a mixture of both the side. So overall, if I say movements will be there in the market tomorrow, but not a very positive. I won't say that the market is completely on the positive side. Mixture of both. A prominent down negative side can be seen from the cards for the afternoon, but the other first hours and the last hours of the market will be a mixture of both the positive and the negative side of the market. So before I close up my or end my video, I would like to do a disclaimer. I'm not a stock market broker, nor I have any stock market knowledge. I'm just doing the reading of a stock market through my tarot cards to understand the energy of the stock market. So kindly take what it resonates. Rest, leave it to the divine. And I even do not suggest anybody to do any sort of trading. So thank you so much and have a great trading day ahead.